So today's the weekend, and I really can't do a video because my phone's about to die. We have Mr. King here. We should have named you King because he's such a butt. And we should have named him King because he's such a butt, and he acts like the king. Most people say I shouldn't beat on my dog, but he's my dog and he doesn't care. Where's your baseballs? Down. 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 Look, he's already chewed another one up. Birdie boy. King, Mr. King. He's scared of this. This is what I go out in the yard with. Because he tried to get me back. No. See what he does to these things? See? You see this? Hey, not on me. Look what he's already did to this tennis ball. He destroyed all of it. We stole about 20 tennis balls out here the other day, and all of them's dug somewhere or destroyed. We've already threw away about 5 of them. Look, I go around the yard. I don't know if y'all can see because I'm using my inside camera. Go around the yard and they're like, this is what we see. We can't get around stuff. Something needs to be done about this. That's nasty. See, you just walk around the yard and you've some over there under the truck. Some right there, like what I just almost stepped on. He's using the restroom in the middle of the yard and not a kid team. Dog. He tries to get such a grip on it. He can get on the trampoline. So. Whoop-ow! Look, he's scared. See, I'm scared. So, I'm just gonna end this video and do what I have to do. You ain't eating. He hasn't ate his dog food. That's very cool. I'm just doing it in this video and charge my phone and probably upload this because it won't upload while my phone's low battery. So yeah. Bye, and I gotta go pick up stuff around the yard and clean the yard. He destroyed a whole plastic bucket yesterday, so gotta clean that up. So, bye, peace.